Cybersecurity Footprinting, Unveiling the Digital Landscape. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unveiling the digital landscape of cybersecurity footprinting. Unlock the secrets of cybersecurity footprinting and learn how to protect your digital assets. This training video will guide you through the essential techniques and strategies for understanding your organization's digital footprint. Whether you're a beginner, an IT student, a remote worker, or a small business owner, this knowledge is crucial for staying secure in today's interconnected world. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is footprinting in cybersecurity? Footprinting, also known as reconnaissance, is the process of systematically gathering information about a target system, network, or organization. Think of it as digital intelligence gathering, where you're collecting clues to understand your target's vulnerabilities. It's the crucial pre-attack phase where you learn as much as possible to identify potential weaknesses and attack vectors. This process is similar to a detective meticulously gathering clues before solving a complex case, ensuring no stone is left unturned. Footprinting is essential from both offensive and defensive standpoints. Understanding its applications from both angles empowers you to build a robust security posture. Offensive, ethical hacking, penetration testing. Ethical hackers and penetration testers use footprinting to understand a target's security posture, identify weaknesses, and plan effective attacks. The more information gathered, the higher the chance of uncovering vulnerabilities and improving security. Defensive, security auditing. Defensively, understanding how attackers might footprint your organization allows you to proactively strengthen your security measures. By reducing your attack surface and detecting potential reconnaissance attempts, you can significantly enhance your overall security. Let's dive into how to create effective footprinting strategies to protect your organization. These strategies will help you identify vulnerabilities and strengthen your defenses. Define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your footprinting exercise? Are you trying to identify all publicly available information about your organization? Are you mapping out your network infrastructure? Are you trying to identify potential vulnerabilities in your web applications? Clearly defined objectives will help you focus your efforts and ensure you gather the most relevant information. This targeted approach saves time and resources, leading to more effective security assessments. Information gathering techniques? Footprinting techniques can be broadly categorized into two types, passive and active. Each approach offers unique insights into your organization's digital footprint. Passive footprinting. This involves gathering information without directly interacting with the target system. It's like observing from a distance, gathering intelligence without raising any alarms. Search engines. Use Google, Bing, or other search engines to find information about the target organization, its employees, and the technologies used, e.g., Google dorking. This is a simple yet powerful way to uncover publicly available data. WIS lookup. Obtain domain registration information to identify the owner of a domain, contact information, and other details. This provides valuable insights into the organization's online presence. DNS enumeration. Gather information about the target's DNS records, such as IP addresses, mail servers, and subdomains. Understanding DNS configurations can reveal potential vulnerabilities. Social media. Examine social media profiles of employees to gather information about the organization's structure, technologies, and security practices. Social media can inadvertently expose sensitive information. Job boards. Analyze job postings to understand the technologies and skills the organization is looking for. Job postings often reveal the software and systems in use. Publicly available documents. Search for publicly available documents such as annual reports, press releases, and marketing materials. These documents can contain valuable information about the organization's operations. Active footprinting. This involves directly interacting with the target system to gather information. It's like knocking on the door and asking questions, but in a digital context. Network scanning. Use tools like Nmap to identify open ports, running services, and operating systems. This provides a detailed view of the network's architecture. Banner grabbing. Connect to open ports to retrieve banner information, which can reveal the software versions being used. Identifying outdated software is crucial for patching vulnerabilities. Traceroute. Map the network path between your system and the target system. Understanding the network path can reveal potential points of interception. Social engineering. Interact with employees to gather information about the organization's security practices and infrastructure. Use with extreme caution and ethical considerations. This technique should only be used with explicit permission and ethical guidelines. Tools of the trade. Numerous tools are available to assist with footprinting. Here are a few popular examples that can streamline your efforts. Nmap, a powerful network scanner used for host discovery, port scanning, and service identification. Nmap is an essential tool for any cybersecurity professional. WHOIS tools, online tools and command line utilities for performing WHOIS lookups. These tools provide quick access to domain registration information. DNS lookup tools, online tools and command line utilities for querying DNS records. These tools are essential for understanding DNS configurations. Shodan, a search engine for internet-connected devices, which can be used to identify exposed systems and services. Shodan can reveal publicly accessible devices that may be vulnerable. The Harvester, a tool for gathering email addresses, subdomains, and employee names from various sources. This tool is useful for identifying potential phishing targets. Recon NG, a powerful reconnaissance framework with a modular design. Recon NG provides a comprehensive platform for conducting footprinting activities. Analyzing and documenting findings. As you gather information, it's crucial to analyze it and document your findings. This step is critical for turning raw data into actionable insights. Look for patterns, anomalies, and potential vulnerabilities. Identifying these elements is key to improving your security posture. Organize your information in a clear and concise manner, making it easy to understand and use. Well-organized documentation facilitates effective communication and decision-making. Ethical considerations and legal compliance. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions before conducting footprinting activities. Ethical and legal compliance is paramount in cybersecurity. Be aware of the legal and ethical implications of your actions. Understanding these implications helps you avoid legal issues and maintain ethical standards. Avoid accessing or disclosing sensitive information without authorization. Protecting sensitive data is a fundamental principle of cybersecurity. Respect the privacy of individuals and organizations. Privacy is a critical consideration in all cybersecurity activities. Staying updated. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated on the latest footprinting techniques and tools. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead of emerging threats. Read security blogs, attend conferences, and participate in online communities to learn from others. Engaging with the cybersecurity community provides valuable insights and knowledge. Ready to enhance your cybersecurity skills? Start by exploring the tools and techniques discussed in this training. Conduct a passive footprinting exercise on your own organization to identify potential vulnerabilities. Share this video with your colleagues and encourage them to prioritize security awareness. Subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity training and updates. Together, we can create a more secure digital world.